In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to crop video in DaVinci Resolve. So I want to crop this video so that this video will be visible below this video. And to do that, we need to firstly take our playhead at that point to see the preview here. Now before we crop our video, we need to enable one option, and for that we need to go to view, under it go to safe area, and under it check mark all of these options and then click on. And now you can see a overlay has been added on my preview screen so that we can easily see the center of our video clip. So you can see this is the center. And now to crop this video, we have two methods. If you want to crop your footage from the inspector tool, then for that select your video clip first, then open the inspector panel, and under it expand this cropping option. If you have disabled it, then enable it first, and with these options you can crop it from left, right, top and bottom. So firstly let me start with left. So I just want to crop it from this side, and now let's crop it from right side. And the second way is also easy. For that we just have to click on this icon, which is drop down arrow, and then we need to select crop option from here, and then it will show you these tools on your preview screen, and you can just drag these handles to the position you want it to crop. So I want to crop it like this, and you can see the value on crop bottom has been changed on my inspector tool as well. Now I want to change its position. For that use this transform tool and place it where you want to place it to. So I want to place it here, so let's just decrease the size of it. And now in case you want to reset your cropping, then for that you can click on this reset icon, and then it will reset that particular thing. And if you want to reset your whole clip, then for that click on this global reset icon, and then it will reset your whole cropping. And what if you want to add an animation for your cropping, then for that we need to take the playhead at the start of our clip, and then on the inspector tap on this diamond icon to add a keyframe for all of your cropping tool. And now take your playhead few frames forward, then go back to your inspector tool, and under it do the cropping you want to do. And now if I preview my clip again, you can see the cropping effect has been added with an animation. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.